Hi, this is Nick from Lipscomb Abarth. I'm just going to take you around this brand new Abarth 595 145 brake horsepower. So the car's finished in record grey, which is a lovely metallic grey colour, with the standard 595 wheels. This one's a convertible with a grey hood, as you can see. Let me just show you inside the car. So inside the car it's finished with the tobacco leather with the Abarth logo in the headrest there. It's got a new diamond check pattern for current model year. Got a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and air conditioning, and the leather gear knob, as you can see there. I'm just going to show you the roof, so show you how that works. So the roof's got two positions. Opens up to the back there, and then if you press the button again, it takes you all the way back there, like so. So with the roof down, this is how the boot opens. You open the boot, the roof comes up. So it's got a proper glass rear window there with a heated element in. Just show you in the boot. So you've got a 50-50 split rear seat there. Car's also fitted with reverse parking sensors. Got the twin tailpipes for the Abarth there. A very, very pretty looking car. So this is the Abarth 595 145 brake horsepower in record grey, available in stock for immediate delivery.